Alright, hello everyone, May 20th. Let's do it. Zero array transformation. Integer array nums, length n, and 2D array queries. Queries either left or right. For each query's I, select a subset of indices within the range L to R in nums. Decrement the values at the selected indices by 1. A zero array is an array where all elements are 0. Return true if it is possible to transform nums into a zero array after processing all the queries sequentially. Decrement the value. Select a subset of indices. So 0, 1, 2. Divide the decrement by 1. 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. So the most, at least you used to say a subset. We could just get everybody to decrement by 1, and if it gets done again, we just don't do it, right? Which means if I do, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, so 0 to 4, just to see that whether our ideas is correct, right? If we do it 4 times, then it should be true. Yes, it should be true. Get that from 4 times queries. Let's consider values from 0 to 3 only. Oh, my bad. 0 to 3. That was an oversight. Yeah, it's true. So this basically means we want to see how many times each position gets covered. So what we can do is, we can do line sweeping, right? To do line sweeping, and then see how many, and then we actually, because in this case line sweeping, there's no decrement, right? There's no decrement. We just need to see in this range everybody +1, and in next range everybody +1, right? And then we just need to how do we do line sweep again? I forgot. So you have a start and have an end, right? So at the start you +1, and at the end you -1. Okay, but we can't really -1 at the end. So all right, let's use this as an example, right? So we have 1 to 3 and 0 to 2. So basically what we can say is 1 is a +1, 2, 3. So -1 shouldn't be here, right? It should be on the outside. So it should be a -1 at the end. And 0 is +1, 0, 1, 2. So this will be -1. So in total we have 1 time, 2 times, this is a 2 times, this is a 1 time, right? So that's what we cover, basically 0, 1, 2, 3. So these all have 1 time, and 0, 1, 2, these have 2 times. Yeah, I think this is right, right? And then the most we can do is 3, 1, 0, 0, right? And this basically 0 has a 1 and the outside is negative 1, so it'll be 1, 1, 1. Okay, yeah, we go line sweep. And line sweep, in this case, we don't need to even sort, right? There's no need to sort. All right, so, but we do have to have sweeps. Right? In fact, 1 + 1, to make it easier. Say sweeps q0 plus plus sweeps q1 plus 1 minus, right? And then for int I go to 1, I is smaller than sweeps.size. Actually, no, not sweep.size. It's just going to be nums.size. Okay. You can say sweeps I plus equal to sweeps I minus 1. Right, we just override up until the last one, but not the last one. If sweeps 0 is smaller than nums, 0, return false. If sweeps I smaller than nums, I let's see if it's correct. Looks to be right. Yep, that is line sweep. Difference array. Yep, it's exactly how we are doing it. Good. All right, that will be it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Adios.